January, we're still in the first month of this year.
A comprehensive response to the climate emergency that will involve the people of Cebu and inspire the rest of the Filipino people to follow suit. This is what the organizers of the first Cebu Archdiocesan Conference on Climate Emergency hope to achieve as they count the days to the event, which will take place on January 31 to February 1, 2020 at the Waterfront Hotel, Cebu City. Primarily responsible for its promotion in the Archdiocese of Cebu is the Cebu Archdiocesan Commission on Environmental Concerns, CASIC. This is in partnership with various church and private sector groups. It will launch the first Cebu Archdiocesan Conference on Climate Emergency with the hope of making it a template and model for other dioceses to follow. There are at least 500 priests and lay leaders from 160 parishes are attending together with representatives from the academe, business sector, civil society groups, and the local government units.
This convention centers and focuses where Cebu is the center for this gathering. Why Cebu? Cebu is the center of Christianity. It is a gift for Cebu. And Cebu is the mother church of the Archdiocese of Manila. And here in Cebu, Christianity began to grow, and now we are in this grace wherein God has put us in this situation.
Father Morphy Sarsunas, Commission Chair of the CASIC, explained that the conference aims to provide a bigger platform for stakeholders to journey, hope, and act together in the face of climate emergency.
Yes, we embrace progress here in Cebu and throughout the whole nation, but development comes with a price. That is why we need to rethink what progress is all about. Especially the poor in our society are now suffering, and also all stakeholders suffering from crisis in water, crisis in energy, transportation, and other basic services.
And we take all the harvest of the seas and forget future generations. We destroy and forget that we have a responsibility to the children of tomorrow. You have children, their future is our concern. And that's why the Catechism would say, the moment, we hoard to ourselves, we steal from what belongs to your children of tomorrow. And that's also very clear.